Hello everyone, welcome to this special presentation on how to make business card with your mobile phone. So Adekunle Isaac, and we'll start the training now. So first of all, to start with, you need an app called a business card maker. So I will tell you how to download the app in the group. So after downloading the app, you click on the app on your phone. You will see it's business card maker. Easy it's a very easy app. It's very easy to use. So now when you get to the interface, you're going to see create, you're going to see download, you're going to see saved, you're going to see profile, share, and rate. So create is if you want to create one. Download is if you want to download maybe the ones you've downloaded to your phone, the ones you've saved to your phone. Saved as well is the ones you've saved to your phone, maybe your profile you want to share. But now I want to create another one. So you click on create. Now after clicking on create, you're going to see create new, and you're going to see some templates. So some of these are the templates. They are the free templates. They have the free templates and they have the paid ones. So the ones you see pro on them, they are the paid templates. So the ones you see just only numbers on them, they are the free templates. So you can actually play on, you can actually pick on anyone you want and make your business card. And the good part about this is this business card can actually be printed after making it. I know a lot of people that what they do is to make business card with their SIM, and after making those business cards, they go to, you see, where the printing press, they go there, they print the business card and they deliver to customers. And this is just the app they use. So I'm going to start now. You can now click on the new template. Now this is just a drag and drop. Do you understand? It's a drag and drop. So if you click on the name, you see John Matthew. You will see the icons on the right hand side. You see the color, edit text. You see the font size. You see the font style. You see the style. You see the opacity and all these keys up or up and down movement. Now if you click on the John Matthew, you want to edit it. So you click on edit text. You click on it. You change it to your name. For example, I'm Adekunle Tolulade. I will write Adekunle Tolulade. After that is done, I will apply. Have you seen it? So after applying, I can now use the arrow up button to maybe shift it up, or you see, to maybe shift it down. So I'm using the arrow up. So now the assistant manager, if you want to edit it again, you go to edit text, you click on it, you delete it. You can now write, oh, maybe if you want to write CEO, you can now write CEO. You apply, then you shift it to the center if you like. So you can use the side arrow. Now if you want to change the color, you click on the color. If you want to, let's say for example, you want to change the color, and you choose the color you want from the color palette. Do you understand? From the color palette, you choose the color you want from the color palette. So it depends on you. So after that is done, you click on cancel, you cancel it, and that is done. Now if you want to change it to, if you want to edit text and you want to change it to make it capital letter, so you can delete it and change it to uppercase. You write in uppercase. After writing in uppercase, you 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 are going to click OK, and it's there already. Now let's go to address. Now you can see there are three addresses here. So the first one, we don't need it. You come to the bottom tools, you delete it. You come to the second one, you delete it, and the third one, you cannot shift it up because that is the main address you want, because you only have one address. You can now change it to, you can edit text, and you can now write, your address. Let's say for example I'm in Ibadan, I'm going to write Ibadan. as my address. Now if you have websites, you're going to come here. For example, I have an agency which is called Grappa Digital Hub. So so we have a website. So you can click, if you have a genuine website, you can click on it. You come to edit text. You come to you you come to, for example, my site is grappa.com.ng. Grappa.com .ng. So that is done, you apply. Don't forget, if you want to change the color, it's left to you. You can click on color. You click on the text and you pick the color. Do you understand? So for example, if you want to change the font style of the color, you want to increase it, have you seen it? But I don't want to increase it because of proximity. So if you want to maybe use some icons, you can see, you click on icons, you can see the email icon, you can see website icon, you can see the Facebook icon, you can see the Twitter, you can see the Instagram. So you can now shift all these things up. You can shift it up. Just click on them and shift it up. So whichever one. But you see, I think we need to rearrange this thing. So you can click on it and you see shift it. You can carry and shift. You can carry and shift. You can carry and shift. Do you understand? Because we want to have the phone number first. If you want to have the phone number first. So if it's not going, you can use the button up to shift it. Now this is the website. You can use button up to shift it. Make sure there is one thing we call proximity in design. Make sure they align. Proximity is the alignment of your work. So make sure they align. Don't just scatter your work. So make sure your work align. Just make sure you align. Can you see it's very easy? Can you see it's very, very easy? So make sure they align. Now the next thing is maybe your mail. You add your mail. If you want to edit it, you click on it, edit text. You can now say info at grapart.com.ng. Then you apply it. Can you see? Then you shift the address as well. Make sure, I told you proximity. It's part of the principle of design. Can you see it's not aligned? You shift it again. So it's aligned. So you come to the button, shift it as well, and you make sure it aligns with all other ones up there. So can you see it's okay now? For example, you now want to put your social media icon. You can now say, okay, I want to use Instagram. So once you click on Instagram, you click on it. You can change the size, you can reduce the size, or you can increase it in the size. So if you want to change the color because it's not showing, you can increase the color to match the original color. Since the original color is not there, so let's see. So let's say, for example, you want to use that color. So after that is done, you shift it, then you can now come and say you want to write text. Sorry, so you can now use it. Don't forget it's telling us that the Instagram handle as well. You can now click on it, you edit first, and you say, oh, your Instagram handle is at grappa digital. Oh, so that's our Instagram handle. So after that is done, don't forget that what I told you about proximity and alignment. So you align it, you can increase the size a little. to fit in with others, because if your work is not aligned, nobody will give you a job when they see your work is not really neat. So you align it. Have you seen it? Then the crap part as well, you make sure you align it as well. Can you see they are all well aligned? So now we are done with our business card. You can play around all these things. You can put a logo. Maybe for example, you want to put your logo. So you come to shapes. So for example, maybe you can scroll up and down and see how it looks like. For example, now maybe you want to put our, let's say, you want to put our maybe you want to put your logo. So you navigate to upload, you click upload, it will load you to to your your gallery. You click on gallery, you click on others. So maybe for example, this is our logo. You click on the logo. Now you can now edit the logo, you can trim it. So you mark it after picking the logo, then you can now reduce it. You can reduce the size of the logo. Sorry, I want to try and reduce the size of the logo. So can you see? So you come here. So you can maybe increase the size a little. So can you see the company logo is there? Can you see I have the company logo? So after that is done, this is the back, this is the front side. So you now click on the back side to see how the back side will look. So this you can change it again to the company logo. You delete this and you come again to upload. So it will be a company logo as well. So you click on this, you click on the gallery, you go to your drive, you click on this, sorry, you click on the logo again. So after picking the logo, you mark it, you resize the logo. So you click on the size. So depending on whatever size you want, depending on how you want the size of the logo to be, so it depends on you. You can now come here, you edit your company name. You come to your company name, you come to the text, your company name, you delete it. So, in this case, the company name is digital alt. So you apply. So you can now shift it to the center. Do you understand? Because there's something we call alignment and proximity. So you shift to the center, then So if you want to increase the text, you increase it, increase the text, the logo, you can shift it up a little as well. So you now come to the tagline. The tagline is just like a slogan, just like you see, like MTN now we have everywhere you go. Do you understand? We have glow with pride. So that's the tagline. So now for Grappat, our tagline is an ICT hub with difference. So you apply, then you shoot it, you put it in the center. After that is done, so we are done with it. So you can now check the front side of your logo. Can you see the front side? Can you see it so beautiful? And the back side of your logo, can you see it so beautiful? So after that is done, you now click on save. You click on the download icon. Can you see? So you have your back and the front side. So you now click on download front size. Have you seen it? It's saying download completed. You close it. Then download back side. It's saying download completed. Then you close it. Now then you close your work. Now after that is done, you now go to your file storage. You go to your internal storage. You go to the where you have either your gallery or your file manager and your file storage where you have it downloaded. And when that is done, you have your business card already done. So you can actually play around with it. You can play around with the application. It's so easy. And when that is done, after saving it, you can go to printing press. You can print the business card, you see, and give to people. I know of people that this is what they do. They print with their phone. They design with their phone and they print. Do you understand? They design with their phone and they print, and they make a whole lot of money. So thank you so much for taking part in this training. I'll be expecting your own video as well. I'll be expecting your own business card as well. So you can just exploit the application.